everyone. I'm showing you guys how I clean and remove my gel nail polish using this quick deep nail polish remover that I got from Walmart. I cleaned the rest of my fingers. I'm showing you my thumb that I haven't removed my gel nail polish. As you can see, I just dip in there and leave it for about 2 minutes. And then after that, I just use this little tool, the nail pusher, and I just push the gel polish and just kind of scrape it off. You'll feel it. It gets like a little soft, the gel, and yeah, I just keep doing that. And when it gets dry, you can just put it back to the nail polish remover and just leave it for about maybe a minute. It depends how thick your gel nail polish, so would probably takes a little bit longer. But as you can see, I just repeating it, and it's right there. I almost got it right there, clean. And I think I put it back in again, but it's I like it. It's easy and quick. So just to keep in mind for doing the gel, so it depends how thick your gel polish, the longer you'll have to soak in there. So it's right there. I'm almost finished. So I just keep pushing it, the rest of the gel polish. Just keep doing that. I think it took me for one nail, about 10 minutes or less, so it's not too bad. As like I said, it depends how thick your gel. So it's right there, it's all out. It's all removed. Yay. And to clean everything up, make sure there's no residue and there's no gel polish left. I just put it back in there on the nail polish remover and just clean the rest of it. So thanks for watching.